Well, good morning. It is 6:01 and the sun made it through this morning. Look at how beautiful this is. Wow, wow, wow. I am making my house famous pancakes. Everything's ready to go. And they are patiently waiting for theirs. Yeah, look how nice. The new ones, the Nain ones are usually nice. When it gets to mine, they're a little burnt. I'm already down a pound from yesterday. It is breakfast time, so I'm going to take my BLD for breakfast. I am finally leaving the mall. Okay, I've been shopping since, oh my gosh, it is almost 5 o'clock. I've been shopping since around 1, I think. I went to one store who has very low quality bras. Okay, I was there for ever trying to figure out, because I haven't bought bras for over a year or so, because this is my bra that I have from my company. It is made out of recycled plastic. Okay, comfortable as heck, looks really good in most things. But the two new shirts I got, I wanted a little bit of lift and some nice look. So I had to go buy some, and I had no idea what I was doing. So I finally went back to a professional bra store, because a few days ago I went to a professional bra store and looked at what I liked and was debating what I wanted to get. And finally went back and got a really nice one on sale, which is amazing. So it was only it was only $33. So that's really good, considering the one I really liked was $75 before taxes. I'm very pleased. I gotta go home now, do laundry, and get ready to go to the house of the guy that I'm seeing. We got rid of that door. I drove to that other store with that door there, and it was so uncomfortable. I forgot it was there. So when I was done with that other store, I went home, said, Mom, you gotta help me get this door out. We got the door out, and then I came here. Finally brought the clothes that I'm putting the bra to with me, because both times I went bra shopping without the tops. So I had no idea how it would look and all this stuff. And I learned some new things because of the shape of my boob. They're a little bit bottom heavy. I have to get a different type of bra, so that way it doesn't fold and all this stuff at the top. So I learned a lot of stuff on this shopping experience today. And yeah, I'm very pleased. So now I need to go home, do laundry, and eat, because I have not had lunch. And we already put the dogs out, so that's good. Yeah, so just laundry, eat, and relax for the rest of the evening. Whew. How is your day going? Do you have any plans for the weekend? We're going to the movies Friday night. I haven't decided which one to go see. We're gonna have to buy our tickets tonight. And yeah, so if you're wondering why, the woman of the bras that I was supposed to go get from, she didn't have she had the wrong size on her ad. And I was specifically looking for a push-up, and that is what I got. So it didn't work out, and this worked out. So now I have a new one, and it works. It'd be better fit for me than the one that she was selling. So all in all, everything happens for a reason. On my way home, I forgot to mention, when I got to the store that I got my bra from, not only did they already have a change room with my name on the door, but the bra that was perfect for me in the price range that I wanted to spend at this time, they only had one in my size. So I'm pretty sure that was the universe providing for me, because I've been thinking about getting a bra from that store since I bought those new tops. And they knew exactly which lady to help me with, because there was a lady there who knew exactly how to help me. And even her coworker, who has been working there longer, didn't know the information that she knew, and she's a newer hire. So yeah, it was all perfectly aligned. Person I needed, my room had my name on it, and best price range. Woo! So I am getting ready to cook these on the barbecue. I put salt on the plate. I rinse these out well. I put salt on the plate, salt on them, pepper. Now I'm gonna put garlic salt. Ooh, might be too much. I'm watching through my phone. Okay, and these ones aren't quite thaw, so probably for tomorrow lunch, because I'm leaving to go to the guys I'm seeing house tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you posted. I'm trying to think of what else to put on here, because the guy I'm seeing says I'm very plain with my stuff. I forgot I still have this here. It helped bring up the leftover cupcakes and pop from my sister's party. But I'm going to get my laundry and put that away, and at the same time pack for my trip tomorrow. So I'm gonna wear my new clothes on Friday and Saturday. And we're still deciding what movie to go watch. I suggested The Little Mermaid just to be a putz. But because he likes action, so he suggested Transformers or Fast 10, but I've only seen like maybe the first 3. So is it crucial to see all of them? I don't know. And so I think that's all that's there, other than Guardians of the Galaxy, but I haven't even seen the first one of that. So you're welcome, Amazon person. Is it 705? Okay, not for me. But oh, I'm putting the cart in the wrong place. Oh my gosh. So let me finish that. So I'm really interested to know how much your laundry is, because our new owner raised the prices when they took over. So they added $1 to this one and $1 to this one. And it's 45 minutes to dry, I believe. Yeah, I don't remember. I don't think it's changed. Yeah. Oh, and then they made it It was, I think 5 cents or something like that for every new 5 minutes. Something like that, a quarter or something, but they made that more, where it's like 50 cents or something, I don't know. So they really jacked up those prices, even though we just got these machines not too long before they took over and they raised the prices a bit. I normally put it for a minute, but I had just enough to put it for the 45 minutes. So it seems like everything dried well. So I could have been wasting money before. Nah, nothing's ever a waste. Everything's a learning experience and energy used. So I started watching Ant-Man yesterday. I love stuff about quantum. Love that stuff. I love watching non-fiction of that stuff because it just helps with the imagination and also you're learning stuff at the same time, right? Like Doctor Strange. Love Doctor Strange. And, you know, the main actor isn't that bad looking. And anyway, so watching Ant-Man, and they're talking about being in a place with no, here we go. Being in a place with no time. Like, it's so hard to think that time is only a reality in this place, this reality, this dimension. It's so interesting. It's like, how do they coordinate anything? How do they, I don't know. It's just like, how do things function without a time? It's so cool. I think the graphics and all the things that they're kind of different things that they put in this show, very, very cool. My, one of my good friends, he's like, he's so funny because he's so into Marvel and DC, like he knows that stuff. And so when I'm like, yeah, I can't wait to watch Ant-Man, he's like, oh, I heard it wasn't good. And I'm like, I love all of it because it, you know, I take it as a learning experience with a little bit of entertainment, you know what I mean? So I'm really enjoying it. And Avatar is out. I loved Avatar, went and saw it by myself. And that is another one that I really, really like. What else? Look at that. That is the smoke from all the fires going on in Canada. I believe Toronto has it worse than us because, you know, London is windy as heck. So I'm not surprised it clears up faster here. But yeah. Hazy. Hey, babies. Everybody's coming out. Were you stuck inside? Were you stuck inside? Hi, baby. And then mass some over there. Hi. Hi. Debating cooking those chicken on the barbecue. Just do it inside or on the barbecue. I think the barbecue. Let's do it. I noticed the drip tray was on my side here and not underneath, so I just put it underneath, I think, in the right spot. And we'll see. We'll wait a few minutes and then get that chicken on. They are on there. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Look at how nice those look. I think they're ready. They've been in here for a half an hour. Flip them twice. Yeah, that looks done. Last time I cooked Oh, on the stove, I didn't cook it all the way. Yeah, that one's cooked. Yeah. Okay, definitely so much better than having oil on the stove. They look so nice. Oh my god. Someone's licking her lips. Yummy. Looks so good. So I'm gonna take my BLD now before I eat. For supper.